Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account on PayPal. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.paypal.com and hit enter. To the home page of PayPal opens up on your screen. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a sign up option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign up option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to choose whether you want a personal account or a business account and then click on this next button. After you click on the next button, you'll be further guided to another page. Now in this page, firstly you'll have to choose your country here and then fill in your mobile number here. After you've chosen your country correctly and then filled in your mobile number correctly, you'll have to click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, a code will be sent to your phone number which you'll have to enter exactly in this text field. After you filled in your code correctly, you'll be automatically guided to another page. Now in this page, you'll have to fill in all these credentials and then click on this next button. Once you fill in your credentials correctly and then click on the next button, you'll be further guided to another page where you'll have to fill in some more credentials. You'll have to select your nationality, date of birth, you'll have to fill in your address, your city, you'll have to choose your zone or capital and then fill in your postal code here. After you filled in those credentials correctly, you'll have to tick this option and then click on this agree and create account option. As you can see on my screen, if you follow all the steps that I showed to you correctly and if you filled in your correct information, an account for you on PayPal will be automatically created. I hope this video helped you to create an account on PayPal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.